Today we're showing you a 2021 John Deere 5045E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor, has the open operator station. Tractor is 50 horsepower, has just over 800 hours on it. It does have the loader joystick, so if you want to add a loader to this tractor in the future, you can certainly do so. At the time of this video, we also have new loaders available to add to the tractor. Those do come in and out of stock, so certainly give us a call if you have interest in a loader. Has the stabilizer bars on it, which is an upgrade from the older models. Also has the rear SCV back here, rear work light. And again, just over 800 hours. 2 steps to get up on the operator station. 9x3 transmission, 3 ranges here to the left, 3 gears, reverse and park over there to the right. And all your 3-point hydraulic controls also to the right, and your PTO back over here to the left. We do take trades. We also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any of our other tractors on our yard, we have approximately 150 used tractors on our yard. Feel free to contact us at Mast.